Alright, buckle up for fact number 1 because this is gonna sound crazy. Dogs actually have 3 eyelids. Yes, you heard that right, 3. Yeah, you heard that right. It's not just 2 like us humans. It's called the nictitating membrane, and it's this super thin extra eyelid that most of us don't even notice. This third eyelid is located in the inner corner of their eyes. This thing is like a secret weapon for keeping their eyes clean and moist. It acts almost like a built-in eyedropper. Imagine having windshield wipers for your eyeballs. That's basically what it is. It sweeps across the eye, removing any unwanted particles. It protects their eyes from dust, debris, and anything else that could irritate them. This is especially useful when they're playing outside or in windy conditions. Next time you're hanging out with your pup, see if you can spot this hidden eyelid. It's a fascinating little feature that helps keep their vision clear. It usually sweeps across their eye horizontally, almost like a tiny, invisible windshield wiper. Okay, we all know dogs have an insane sense of smell. But get this, their sniffers are up to 40 times more powerful than ours. That's right, 40 times. That's like having a superpower nose capable of detecting the faintest of scents from far away. It's no wonder they always seem to find the tastiest crumbs on the floor, even the ones we miss. This incredible sense of smell is why dogs are total rock stars in search and rescue missions, sniffing out drugs, and even detecting certain diseases. They can identify illnesses like cancer and diabetes just by smelling a person's breath or sweat. They're like four-legged superheroes with wet noses, always ready to save the day. Think about it this way. If you walked into a bakery, you might smell the delicious aroma of fresh bread. But a dog? They could probably tell you what kind of flour was used, the exact ingredients, and maybe even the baker's secret ingredient. Their noses are truly remarkable, making them invaluable companions in so many ways. Hold on to your hats, because this next fact is about to blow your mind. Dogs can hear sounds that are 4 times farther away than we can. Imagine being able to hear a conversation happening a block away. It's like they have built-in super hearing, almost like a superhero power. So that high-pitched noise you can barely make out, your dog is already on high alert. Yeah, your dog heard it loud and clear, as if it was right next to them. This incredible hearing is all thanks to their amazing ears, which are designed to capture even the faintest sounds, which are way more sensitive than ours. They can detect frequencies that are completely inaudible to humans. They have over 18 muscles in each ear, giving them the ability to move their ears independently, allowing them to swivel, tilt, and pinpoint sounds with incredible accuracy. It's like having a built-in radar system. So next time your dog tilts their head at you like they're confused, remember, they're not just being cute. They're probably just trying to focus on a sound you can't even hear. It could be something as subtle as a leaf rustling. Maybe it's the neighbor's cat plotting world domination 3 houses down. Or perhaps it's just the mailman arriving. Ever wished your dog would give it a rest with the barking? Well, meet the Basenji, the barkless dog. This unique breed doesn't bark like other dogs. Instead, they make this weird yodel-like sound that's both hilarious and kind of adorable. Imagine a dog trying to sing opera. That's pretty much what it sounds like. Scientists believe the Basenji's unusual vocal cords are to blame for their lack of traditional barking. So if you're looking for a quiet canine companion, the Basenji might be your perfect match. Okay, this next fact might sound a little gross, but it's actually pretty fascinating. Dogs sweat through their paws. Yeah, you read that right. Those cute little paw pads aren't just for walking. They're also their own personal air conditioning system. Unlike us humans who sweat all over, dogs mainly sweat through their paw pads. It's their way of regulating their body temperature and staying cool. So next time you see your dog leaving sweaty paw prints on the floor, don't be grossed out. They're just trying to beat the heat. Get ready to be amazed because we're talking about speed demons. Greyhounds, those sleek and athletic dogs you always see at the racetrack, can run up to 45 miles per hour. That's faster than a car on a residential street. These dogs are basically born to run. They have these incredibly powerful legs, a flexible spine, and an aerodynamic body that's built for speed. So next time you see a greyhound, remember that underneath that calm and collected exterior lies a need for speed that rivals a sports car. Here's a fun fact that's sure to impress your friends. Just like our fingerprints, every dog's nose print is unique. That's right, no 2 noses are exactly alike. It's like their own personal ID card, and it's pretty darn cool. So next time you're giving your furry friend some love, take a closer look at their nose. You'll see all these intricate ridges and patterns that are totally unique to them. Prepare to be transported back in time because we're about to meet the oldest dog breed in the world, the Saluki. These majestic dogs have been around for centuries, with evidence suggesting they date back to 329 BC. Originally bred in Egypt, Salukis were considered royal dogs and were even mummified alongside pharaohs. With their long, slender bodies and silky coats, Salukis are truly a sight to behold. Hold on to your hats because this next fact is truly remarkable. Dogs can be trained to detect diseases. Remember their incredible sense of smell we talked about earlier? Well, it turns out they can use it to sniff out certain diseases in humans, including cancer, diabetes, and even malaria. Scientists believe dogs can detect subtle changes in a person's scent that are associated with certain diseases. This incredible ability has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and save countless lives. Get ready for a mind-blowing number. A dog's nose has up to 300 million scent receptors. To put that into perspective, we humans have a measly 5 million. It's no wonder their sense of smell is so off the charts incredible. With all those scent receptors working overtime, dogs experience the world in a way we can only imagine. So next time your dog stops to sniff every blade of grass on your walk, remember they're experiencing a whole world of olfactory information that's completely beyond our comprehension. Ever wondered why Newfoundlands are such amazing swimmers? Well, here's a hint. They have webbed feet. That's right. Just like ducks and otters, these gentle giants have webbed paws that help them navigate the water with ease. Originally bred as working dogs in Newfoundland, Canada, they were used to haul nets for fishermen and rescue people from the icy waters. Their webbed feet, along with their thick, water-repellent coats, make them perfectly suited for a life aquatic. Ever noticed your dog twitching, whimpering, or even barking in their sleep? Well, guess what? They're probably dreaming. That's right, just like us. Dogs experience vivid dreams while they're snoozing. Scientists believe dogs dream about things they've experienced during the day, like chasing squirrels, playing fetch, or cuddling with their favorite humans. So the next time you see your furry friend having a dream adventure, let them enjoy their slumber party. They've earned it. Get ready to be impressed because the average dog is as intelligent as a 2-year-old child. That's right, your furry friend is capable of understanding up to 250 words and gestures. They can learn basic commands, recognize their owners, and even understand simple emotions. So don't underestimate the power of a dog's brain. They're smarter than we often give them credit for. The bond between humans and dogs goes back thousands of years. In fact, archaeological evidence suggests that dogs have been our companions for over 14,000 years. From their early days as hunting partners to their current roles as beloved family members, dogs have played a significant role in human history. They've brought us joy, companionship, and unconditional love for centuries. Here's a fun fact about Dalmatians that might surprise you. They're born completely white. That's right, those iconic black or liver spots don't appear until they're a few weeks old. As Dalmatian puppies grow, their spots gradually develop, creating their unique and recognizable markings. Dogs are incredibly empathetic creatures that can sense our emotions. They can tell when we're happy, sad, stressed, or anxious just by reading our body language and tone of voice. It's no surprise that the Labrador Retriever is the most popular dog breed in the United States. Known for their friendly and outgoing personalities, Labradors make wonderful family pets. They're intelligent, eager to please, and always up for an adventure, whether it's a trip to the park or a cuddle session on the couch. Ever wonder how dogs can see so well in the dark? Well, it's all thanks to a special membrane in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. This reflective layer acts like a mirror, bouncing light back through their retinas and enhancing their night vision. So while we might be stumbling around in the dark, dogs can see perfectly fine. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Chihuahuas have big personalities. As the smallest dog breed in the world, Chihuahuas are known for their feisty and energetic nature. They might be small, but they're full of spunk and attitude. Just like humans, dogs can be left or right-pawed. While most dogs don't have a strong preference, some might favor one paw over the other when playing fetch, shaking hands, or begging for treats. It's just another example of how similar dogs are to us. Get ready for a true crime story. Did you know that a bloodhound's sense of smell is so accurate that it can be used as evidence in court? These scent-tracking superstars have helped solve countless crimes by following their noses to the truth. Their incredible sense of smell, combined with their relentless determination, makes them invaluable assets to law enforcement agencies worldwide. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these surprising dog facts, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and informative content. Don't forget to share these amazing facts with your fellow dog-loving friends. Until next time, keep on loving those furry companions. See you in the next video.